on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by. It's your boy Cartoon. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today I'm gonna give you a list of gifts that you could give to your mother. She might need it, she might not, but it's still good gifts that you could give your mother. So we're ready going get to right to it. First one is if your parents has an iPhone and for some reason you want to give them a way to charge their phone faster, you get one of these Anchor USB Type C to Thunderbolt. This is a good cable. I actually got one myself for my iPhone, even though I don't have fast charge capability on the phone, but it charges a little bit faster and it's just nice to upgrade for now. Or if your parent has an Android, you could get one of these Type C to Type C, which is not bad. Um, Red. They have different options. I'll leave some of them down below. All of these that you're gonna, all the items that you're gonna see, they're gonna be a link down below, so you could purchase it through there, and it help the channel grow. So with that, you need also the charger brick, which this Anchor charger brick is has 30 watts, which is give enough power to juice your cell phone pretty fast. Your parents' cell phone pretty fast. The next one we're gonna use is the Europe Power. Is it like a humidifier type of thing? Gives nice odor. This is good for the kitchen when your parents cook or to go to sleep. It gives a nice aroma, but it's usually more when you cook and you want to kill or eliminate the cooking smell. It's pretty awesome. It looks good. So it has LED, so it comes in different colors. You put the oil inside. I'm gonna leave this with the oil down below, so you could just cop it both together, which is it's a good but I think it's a good gift. So if your parents drive a lot and you never know what might happen, your parents, God forbid, get in an accident, a little fender bender, they have a little bit of evidence, because sometimes some accidents seems like it's your fault, but it's really not your fault, but you really don't have any proof to show otherwise. This dash cam is pretty nice. It's in the low end also. It's $32. It's not bad. Camera has a lot of good things in it. Nice HD, good view, and you can see it in the light or in the dark, which is pretty awesome. At night with the night vision, it's pretty cool. I'm planning to get one of these for my mom. Mom drives a lot, so I'm planning to get one of these. So if your parents are workout or whatever, this is a good, and you don't want to spend $150 on on AirPods. These are good alternative. I'm gonna leave a few other ones on the description also. These are pretty cool. They nice. It's a good price, $37. You can find cheaper, but these are promising. They pretty. I like anything that has that little tip that could hold it in your ear and isolate some of the sound is pretty good. Pretty good. That's the only problem that I have with the AirPods, that they don't have this, so it really could fall off quick. And if they lose one of them, it's not, you gotta buy a separate one for like $80 or 50 or $70. You just buy a whole complete set, and they look pretty nice. It's nice and it looks comfortable. So in every parent's crib, I don't want to. There's always a scale, and why not get them a digital scale that they could weigh themselves, especially if they on the workout and they want to keep track of their health, how much they're losing weight, how much they're gaining weight, this and the third. This is pretty cool, and it goes through an app that you could use, Google Fit, Fitbit, Apple Health, all that good stuff. It's nice and digital. Keep track, like it shows it up. It shows it right here. It's pretty nice, not bad. It's a good gift. I have one of these in my house. These are awesome, especially in them hallways that you can't see at night. You wish you had a light. You always bumping into something. You give this to your parents, they're gonna look at it like, why are you giving me this? But as soon as they start using it and it lights up, as soon as they walk by at night, it's gonna be a go, definitely. Especially if you're in the bathroom, you don't want to turn on the light because it has the light fan or whatever. The fan also in the bathroom. It's pretty cool. You can put that in the kitchen also. So, and it shuts off after like 20, 30 seconds. So, if it don't feel no motion. So, it's pretty good and accurate, to believe it or not. So, pretty dope gift. Parent does their hair. Get them a little flat iron. Not bad. It's a good gift. It is what it is. You can never go wrong with an AirDot. They don't have to use it exactly how they could use it as an external Bluetooth, or you teaching them about smart tech and smart home items. This is a good way to start with. Get them on Echo Dot, put them on something, connect the music, do this and that, little by little. But this is a good starting point for any family member or parent or whoever you want to give it to. This is a good starting point to get them in the smart home ecosystem, and to hold it up if you want to keep it discreet, or you don't find nowhere to put it. But this is a good spot. This is something good. You could just put them up. Pretty nice. Not bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video gave you some kind of idea what you could give your mom if you didn't have any. Leave a comment below what you got for your parent or mother, for your mom for Mother's Day. I'm getting her a couple. I'm giving my mom, I know, the lightning, cause she has an iPhone, so I'm gonna give her the lightning charger, the brick, um, the uh front camera, whatever it's called. I'm gonna give her that. So hope you enjoy. If you did, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribe. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.